Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sunita Jadhav. Warm welcome all of you in a 2 days faculty development training workshop on e-content development tools organized by ICT and IQAC Krishna Mahavidyalaya Retri Budruk. As you all are aware, the country has been going through difficult times due to COVID-19 pandemic. Importance of e-learning have been highlighted due to COVID crisis. I am taking you to today's topic without talking more about COVID situation. Let's learn how to develop e-content using MS Office PowerPoint. We will study development of e-content into 3 parts. First part will cover preparation for e-content development. Second part of this session will cover e-content development process, and third part will demonstrate you development of a sample e-content. Let us see outline of first part, that is preparation for e-content development. There are 4 main things to consider while preparing for e-content development. First is PowerPoint presentation, then transcript, noise-free place, and time for recording and connecting the necessary equipments for recordings. Now we will see outline of e-content development process. It includes recording, processing of recorded media, its preview, verification, and finally production of e-content from recorded project. Let us see first part, that is a preparation for e-content development. I hope you know very well how to prepare PowerPoint presentation. So I would like to just highlight some important points while preparing PowerPoint presentation. First important thing is use Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2010 or latest version. MS Office 2007 has not option to create e-content. Second important thing is a slide size. At the beginning of PowerPoint presentation for video making, you have to set slide size. For this, go to design menu, then click on slide size. In slide size sub-menu, you will find 2 options, standard 4:3 and widescreen 16:9. Among these 2 options, you have to click on widescreen option. Second important point while making PowerPoint presentation is a setting of background colors and required fonts, text, photos, diagrams that you need to present the topic. Format the PowerPoint presentation after including all the necessary things. Well formatted PowerPoint presentation is important for creating effective e-content. After preparing PowerPoint presentation, you need to create a transcript. A transcript is a set of words and sentences that you use to teach. Type the transcript for each slide according to the PowerPoint presentation you have prepared. A noise-free room or studio is a necessity of e-content recording process. Noise will definitely reduce quality of e-content. Developed e-content may not be effective, therefore noise-free place is a must for the recording of e-content. Before beginning the process of recording e-content, all the equipment such as laptop or computer as well as available mic, headphone or earphone should be connected and tested properly. Then you can start recording for e-content development. Now let you know about e-content development process. The first step is recording audio and importing video on the slide. In PowerPoint presentation, you can record audio or place video on each slide as per your requirement or as per your plan. Call out transcript prepared by you on concerned slide. Now I will show you menu, sub-menu, used to carry out this process one by one. First, we will see how to import video on the slide. It might be recorded by your mobile earlier or downloaded from any other source. There are two methods of importing video on PowerPoint slide. Simply copy the video and paste it on the slide, or you can import video through video submenu under Insert menu. You can insert online video or video on your computer. Then you have to resize and set position of video on slide as you want. Now we will see how to record audio for PowerPoint presentation. Select the slide to which you want to record audio. To record audio for selected slide, click on Insert menu. You will find audio submenu under Insert menu. Click on it. Then click on the Record Audio option available under Audio submenu. A separate window will appear on the screen for recording audio for selected slide. Keep your transcript ready in a hand and press red button to start audio recording. Call out your transcript prepared for the concerned slide. Then press blue buttons to stop recording audio after finishing the transcript of the same slide. Then click OK button to finish the process of audio recording of the selected slide. Here, audio recording of the selected slide finish. The same process can be followed to record audio on other slide. In the next part, I will show you how to process recorded audio as well as imported video. Click on the imported video and resize it by dragging the corners. You have to arrange its position on the slide as you want. Click on the video and go to the playback menu and set start option as automatically. Now we will see how to set required options under playback menu for selected audio. Click on audio and go to the playback menu, set start option as automatically and put check mark to the option hide during show. Now click on the audio or video and click on trim option under playback menu. We can use trim option for both audio and video processing. Trim option will allow us to see duration of the selected audio or video. Duration of each audio and video is to be noted to set the same under transition menu. Now click on the slide where you have recorded audio or place video. Go to transition menu and set duration of respective audio and video at option available under an advanced slide submenu. Uncheck on mouse click option. Put check mark after option. Set the noted duration of respective audio or video here. Ensure the recommended settings under playback and transition menu for each audio and video. You can play the presentation from the beginning to verify it. Production of the e-content from the PowerPoint presentation is a final part of the e-content development process. Follow the on-screen instructions to produce e-content from the PowerPoint presentation. Click on Save As option available under File menu. Choose folder to save the e-content. Give the file name for e-content. Select Save As type as MPEG-4 video. Click on Save button. Observe the progress bar at the bottom of PowerPoint presentation and wait till complete the process of creating e-content. You may now play content developed by you.